21st सेंचुरी के जो इस दौर में जहां सिनेमा हर पल अपना अंदाज बदल रही है, ऐसे में एक नौजवान हमारे बीच में जो आया है, ये जो हमारे भाई हैं मिस्टर कॉस्टा योगी, इनके दिल से एक बहुत ही अनोखी कहानी पैदा हुई है। इन्होंने इसमें संगीत भी दिया है और इनके अपने डायरेक्टर भी यही हैं। तो ये फिल्म जो है, रीचा इसमें सेंट्रल किरदार निभा रही है और ये एक बहुत ही एंगेजिंग, म्यूजिक से भरपूर, एक एज ऑफ द सीट एक्सपीरियंस कहते हैं, ये ऐसी फिल्म है। और ये जब आएगी तो वो जो एक हमारी परंपरा है ऑफ एक्साइटिंग, एंगेजिंग, म्यूजिकली वेरी रिच सिनेमा, उसको जिंदा रखेगी।
Today is your birthday. Very happy birthday to you. What can be a better gift like for you for this thing? Like, can you talk something about the film and the whole team actually?
मेरा ख्याल से at this stage of my career I can't ask for anything better. Pooja is my heroine. Pooja is my friend. Pooja is my family. And सब लोग जानते हैं कि Bhatt Saab is the person who has given me everything. I've been blessed working in 6 films with Bhatt Saab. And at this stage of my life, literally on the 9th of Feb, to be working in a film with them, it's a huge thing for me. Thank Costi. very, I met Costi with Pooja and I love the story. And to work with Richa, to do a song with her, I mean, an amazing actor. I've seen her work and I saw the rushes also of this film. I think she's going to blow a lot of people out of the water. She's done a remarkable job. And luckily with Vishesh Films, मेरी पूरी करियर गानों से बनी है।
मगर ये पूजा भट्ट फिल्म से ये विशेष फिल्म की है।
नहीं, आपकी लॉन्च जो थी विशेष फिल्म से हुई थी। इनफैक्ट ये लोग जानते नहीं होंगे कि मैं एक्चुअली आशिकी करने वाली थी आपके साथ में, और मुझे भट्ट साहब मेरे घर आए थे इतने सारे गड्ढे नोट्स के साथ लेके, बोले कि पूजा भट्ट आपका ये साइनिंग अमाउंट है। और मैंने कहा कि नहीं, मैं फिल्मों में काम नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि मैं आई वॉन्ट टू बी मैरिड एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बी कंजर्वेटिव एंड आई बिलीव इन लव। तो लव ने मुझे वहां पे भी मार दिया। उसके बाद मैं सेट पे गई, बहुत जलन हुई और उसके बाद मुझे निकाल क्लैप भी दिया मैंने।
आप देखते ही इसके अंदर एक अजीब सी गहरी उदासी छा गई। गलती किया
आशिकी में कर नहीं पाए, तो मैंने क्या किया कि इस फिल्म में कैबरे में एक हमारा जो सिग्नेचर गाना है पानी पानी, जो इन्होंने लिखा है, तो पानी पानी में we show Richa's ascent into stardom, and we wanted Rahul Roy to do a cameo playing Rahul Roy. So Rahul Roy is playing himself, and we are recreating the whole आशिकी
The magic.
तो मैंने आशिकी में काम नहीं किया था एज एन एक्टर, मगर मैंने आशिकी का पोस्टर चुरा के कैबरे में डाल दिया है और राहुल रॉय को भी चुरा के कैबरे में डाल दिया।
Richa, we're talking about you actually. Cabra, like you are playing a central character. Like आपके रोल के बारे में और आपको इसकी
First of all, I would like to say that she is not the heroine of my film. She is the hero of my film. She's playing a hero in this movie. Okay, it's an author-backed role, and after looking high and low and everywhere in between, after auditioning almost about 80 girls, we settled in on Richa, so she can now tell her what the motive is about.
एक कहानी एक ऐसी लड़की की है जो झारखंड से है और उसकी ज़िंदगी में कोई घटना घटती है जिसके कारण वो बहुत दूर ट्रैवल करके एक बहुत लंबा फासला पर्सनालिटी और लाइफ में निकालती है, और उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि उसका बिल्कुल काया पलट हो चुकी है उसकी, और उसको किसी से इश्क होता है। उसका एक कोई सीक्रेट है फिल्म में कि या तो किसी से भाग रही है या कुछ है, वो आप टिकट खरीद के देख सकते हैं कि क्या है। तो मैं कहूँगी बहुत हैवी ड्रामा है, उसमें थ्रिल का एलिमेंट बहुत स्ट्रांग है, एंड एट द सोल ऑफ इट इट्स अ लव स्टोरी।
So it's a story of a girl from Jharkhand, it's a story of a girl from small town India who finds her way to Mumbai, मुंबई से दुबई पहुंच जाती है, और दुबई के बाद वो बॉलीवुड में और हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी मशहूर इट गर्ल बन जाती है। So that's the journey of the girl.
As the name suggests, Cabra actually. Cabra is also of dance है, डांस पर कितना आपने वर्क किया,
Yeah, well, I mean, I think Cabaret, as he sums it up best, is love, life, death, dance. So love, life, death, dance. That's what you're going to get to see in Cabaret. So yes, she had to dance, and yes, there were many apprehensions that people had. That yes, of course, the whole world knew that Richa Chadha is a fantastic actor. But can she be glamorous? Is the question. My point is that you need new eyes. तो कहते हैं कि लोग नए नहीं चाहिए, नए नजरिया चाहिए. So according to me, she's the most glamorous thing, and I'm sure you guys all agree. So I'm going to make sure that people eat their words after this, and she's done a marvelous job. And yes, she had to rehearse.
Yes.
And when you're working with Caesar, you can't get away with doing anything mediocre. He's a tough taskmaster.
Yeah.
And we're doing a song that he's written, so I'll just sing that song for us right now. What's the song?
Now, could you say something about the on-location thing also, what the scene was really all about? Like Rahul is there, क्या exactly आपने recreate किया ये song?
The song we are shooting right now is a song called Pani Pani, which has been composed by Kaustav. It's been written by him in a very unique place, written by him in Janta Bar on Pali Hill at 9:30 in the morning. And then he came to the producer and he said, I've written a song, if it's good, will you give me a beer? I heard the song, I gave him 6 beers. So that's the story behind Pani Pani, and that's what we're shooting right now. The song appears in the film where you show Richa's character going from being a nobody to becoming a superstar. So we show her from going from a low-line dancer to doing her first job to becoming, a popular girl. So she's doing a cameo with Rahul Roy, doing the Ashiki bit. That's where we got him involved. So now I'm going to make Kosti sing that song.
I'll only sing the first 2 lines, क्योंकि बाकी आपको मैं तो तेरे वास्ते ही हुई पानी पानी, सरे आम ही लुट गई ये जवानी. मैं तो तेरे वास्ते ही हुई पानी पानी, सरे आम ही लुट गई ये जवानी. फिर क्या था?
कोई जाने है.
अब सब कोई जाने है मेरी कहानी, घूमू गली गली बन के तेरी दीवानी. मैं तो पानी पानी. ये
ऐसा कुछ.
ऐसा कुछ है. आगे और भी है बड़ा सा.
कितनी realistic हो गई, definitely
And also for the fact that it's taking a cue from an actress life and something inspired from.
No, it's inspired by life. I think, and Kosti agrees, and we all believe that I think life is far more dramatic than fiction could ever be. And Cabaret is a movie that all we did was throw a title at him. Must say that this man and me go back like 16, 17 long years. He's been an advertising professional and was always too afraid to take that first big step into movie making. And I pushed him into doing it. So we gave him a title and said, हमारे पास ये title है Cabaret. आप कहानी लिख पाएंगे? And he came back to us with this story, which we thought was very unique. And all my movies have always got a very, very strong central female character. So Cabaret reinstates that again, because the movie, like I said, Richa is my hero. This is her story. You begin with her. It's her journey. It's her fight. It's her angst. And I believe that only he could come up with this, because it's his baby completely. It's his music, it's his dialogue, it's his screenplay, lyrics, and script. And all I'm doing is backing him up and making sure that they all shine. And of course, this insane person sitting right here, Mr. Rahul Mitra, represents Waves and Raju Chajadi, who's crazy enough to sponsor me and give me money to make my crazy movies. So he's crazier than all of us put together.
There were some reports that said it's inspired from Helen's life.
Well, there were many reports, but like as we all learned with the media, when there are many reports, you should let those reports continue. Because the more you get written about it, as long as you spell the name of your movie correctly and put the right picture, how does it matter? I mean, Helen G is an inspiration. When you say the word Cabaret, you can't help but think of Helen. And whenever people ask me who would you like to cast in this movie, I said somebody like Helen G. And I wish there was that, so finally I found some feature.
direction or acting like.
Well, I'm producing Cabaret. I'm directing Jism 3, which I'm starting in September this year, and I'm going to be acting in a film that my father has written for me. It's a very special film. It's actually Daddy reversed. It's a story about a singer who's an alcoholic who goes back to form ties with a child she abandoned when she was about 21 years old. And I think that in this country we do not see women of a certain age on screen enough, and we don't talk about things like alcoholism dealing with women enough. It's always a man who's portraying and dealing with issues like this. So I think that when you talk about even parenthood, अगर एक बाप अपने बच्चे को छोड़ के चला जाएगा, the world will give that man a chance to come back. Like we showed that in Daddy. But when a woman abandons her child for a career, goes away selfishly and then wants to come back, the world makes her feel like she's a villain. So that's the kind of theme it is. So I'm doing that, and I think I've got a pretty full year this year. So I'm doing a lot. But once an actor, always an actor. You can't forget, you know.
Could you say something?
See, number one, Fish Eye, Pooja Bhatt, Kaustav, I think these names are enough for any studio to feel secure about, apart from our amazing professional relationship that we share. And I think with Pooja and Kaustubh, the best part is the dedication and what they bring on the table, and the honesty in which the scheduling is done and everything, the whole process. That is something that we are very, very proud of. And all I can say is that Wave Cinemas is going to go to the last mile, support this film in whatever best we can, and we are in very, very safe hands and looking forward and proud of being a part of this.
Thank you, sir.
Was there any cue for your character, or did you have to draw inspiration from somewhere? How did you kind of, get going with this character and journey of the
Actually, I had to mostly unlearn, because the school of cinema I have made my comfort zone and sort of become easy in. It was difficult for me to try something else. Like, I'm doing a lip sync for the first time, which is so usual for every other actress.
But it's difficult.
It's very difficult.
Tough. I know that because when I did Daddy and I had to lip sync for Dile Ke Manta Nahi, मतलब पूरी unit को गाना पड़ा साथ में. I just couldn't open my mouth to lip sync.
Exactly. It feels very strange that you have to lip sync, and it's unrealistic, but we are so used to seeing it. And I mean, the last time I did lip sync was when I was playing a 60-year-old woman in Gangs of Wasipur singing Taar Bijli Se Patle, and then there's so a big change for me, something totally new and different. And I mean, I'm like other people experiment with offbeat. I would say that I entered this thinking it would be an experiment, but I've become so comfortable and I'm enjoying the process so much that it's changed me as a woman, if you get what I'm saying.
Well, we are creating, all I can say officially right now to you all for the first time, sir, in your presence, we are creating a monster, and then she is going to be unleashed on the world on May 6th, and then God save the entire film industry.
Richa, after all women in power, in position, what do you have to say about temples and places of worship not allowing women? There are many which
I don't want to get drawn into this discussion because I do believe that a temple eventually lies within your heart, and you don't need to kind of say कहते हैं कि घर से मस्जिद बहुत दूर है, चलो एक बच्चे को ऐसा किया जाए. It's as simple as that. So I mean, people believe, people disbelieve, but I do not want to get drawn into this. I think it's important for us to respect each other. If you have a right to your opinion, I have a right to mine. If you have your faith, I have my faith. So live it.
Your quote on
You know what this comment is going to do, right? Really? I don't want to comment because I second what she said.
Okay, Richa ji, अब तक पानी के अलावा कितने घंटे बिताया आपने?
Abhi, she is going to enter the tanker right now, sir, after your leave.
हाँ पानी है, फिर वेव जाएंगे.
Waves आ गए.
पानी में ये गई थी, लेकिन हम आशा करते हैं कि बिस्तर आप पकड़ेंगे.
She's going to be in water today, and all of tomorrow she's going to be in water. Yes.
documentary बन रही है. In case you know Gulshan Grover ji as an actor, as a person.
I've worked with him in the film Cabaret, and he's one of the most professional people that I know, and always punctual, very helpful with his co-star, and knows his stuff technically to another level. But apart from all that, he's a very nice person, and I really enjoyed working with him.
Best wishes to him for the acting in documentary which is going to.
No, he's one of the few people one of the first few people to branch out even to LA and work internationally, and he does some incredible work, and he's very versatile. And I just hope that all of us take inspiration from him, the younger actors, and continue to learn and work the way he does.
The last thing, he's known as a bad man, you know. So,
No, he's not.
I mean,
He's just.
sorry.
He's really not a bad man. He's a very good, simple Punjabi, normal person who likes his dal chawal, and he's very disciplined about everything. He's not a bad man at all.
अच्छा एक है ना वो लास्ट एक्चुअली बैडमैन के हिसाब से हम तो खाली बैडमैन के नहीं वो
मैंने
में यूज कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने बोला था कि प्लीज बोलना अपने एक स्टाइल में, तो यू नो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड फॉर दैट. यहाँ इस तरह अपनी इन योर वे इन अ वे.
Gulshan sir, you are a very bad man.